in many respects, it was a surprise decision, because I think there was a general view, I know there was a community view, there is a community view that priests and other religious practitioners are employees of their church or religious organisation, to the extent that during the COVID-19 period, many priests and other clergy received COVID-19 payments that employees received. So the church was not backward in coming forward in seeking payment for their clergy. In that instance, they wanted to consider them as part of the employment regime.
What it shows, notwithstanding the recommendations of the Royal Commission and the action that courts have taken, the Catholic Church will always look for wriggle room away from their responsibilities. And what they did in the decision called Bird that went to the High Court is just the latest in a series of legal strategies that they have pursued to deny justice for victims of child sexual abuse. Every time they say they want to put the interests of victims as paramount, that to me is false. They put their own financial interests as being paramount. Everything they do is to protect the financial bottom line of the church. I will bet London to a brick that the church's lawyers will pore over this legislation and see what they can do to create new obstacles to victims getting the justice they deserve.
Basically, it's this court decision illuminated and shone a light on this loophole that existed where the Catholic Church could, I suppose, shirk responsibility. And that is certainly not something that is in line with community expectations.